One going out to all ganja smoker. We sport them on the habit and not beg like a loafer. No one can take a fin a joker. You buy your own cigarette and register. If you need a lighter, buy a lighter. Friend with weed is better. And if you want to get high, bring your own supply, or they will know you as a joker smoker. I said a friend in need